Yeah, so with the traditional SIEM, you've got to write dynamic correlation rules fundamentally, right? So that means you have got to decipher all of the individual like field names of all the individual logs, that is an infinite amount, and somehow you've got to be able to connect the dots between those things. And when I talk about essentially weaving those threads into a fabric, like that is essentially what we're talking about, right? So that you get like a nice tapestry, a picture of like the true state of your organization's security data. Now, we've had huge advances in AI that allows you to do that. We've got huge community efforts such as the Open Cybersecurity Schema framework that allows you to like begin to unify these things. So that's like a very, very important like foundational capability to begin to solve then the detection problem, and then the impact of doing really good detections on the impact on the humans receiving those detections. And so dynamic observations basically is both unifying the data, what we call the data fabric, but then it's being able to run analytics over those things without having to manually write correlation rules. And so you would have heard me in the past talk about root cause triangulation, which is our foundational algorithm that builds attack paths underneath the hood. This solves the true positive, false positive problem. So you're looking at around about a 93% reduction in false positives in customer organizations. And why it is able to do that is because it's essentially doing the job of a human analyst underneath the hood.